YouTube and all other people that's out there watching the video. It's your boy Chadrick. I'm in the kitchen again. Matter of fact, this is my second cooking video. I ain't put up the first one. But today I'm gonna cook a little something today. Got some chicken thighs. And prep them up and everything. Clean them and wash them up so I can season them up. Take this jacket off. Get my sleeves wet. But anyway, like the trip, y'all. Like I said, got a little video here. Just got from a treatment today and feeling pretty decent today for a change. You know, like I said, you gotta live life and enjoy life. Because if you don't live and enjoy your life, you know, what's your purpose of being around if you're not gonna enjoy some of it? But like I said, yeah, I done went and to the old Pig Wiggly and purchased some old chicken thighs. And clean them up here, wash them up real good. And season them up. I'm gonna bake these chicken thighs. You know, we're supposed to be eating that fried stuff anyway, so like I said, I got some chicken thighs, let y'all see them. Then wash them up and everything, get them all prepped up and everything. But y'all hold tight. And everything. We're gonna get it cooking up, and then, like I said, I'm gonna season them up, wash them up here. And clean them up and like I said, season them up. Can't have no chicken thighs all fatty and stuff. Gotta get that skin out there and everything. But y'all hold tight. I'll let y'all see them after I clean them up and season them up. Okay, guys, I done pull the old skin off the chicken, excess skin, some little water in there on them. I'm finna wash them up again real good. Like I said, I like to wash my chicken on real good, cause you don't want that. So I'm over here finna, like I said, wash it up real good, get all that nasty stuff off it that I didn't get off on the first rinse and off the first skin pull. Get all of that excess fat off. All that little flimsy skin and stuff that be on your chicken. You gotta get that mess out there. You don't want to eat no chicken, nasty chicken. You want to eat some clean chicken. Get that old film off it. So we gonna put this in the oven. Get all that little extra loose fat skin and slimy filling off your chicken thighs. Like I said, this is a meal that you can easily do. Prep it up, put it in the oven, and everything. Like I said, you can put some sides with it, some rice or some what you can put it, rice or green beans. I'm probably gonna do some green beans. I might even do some rice too. Like I said, I gotta clean this old chicken real good, but y'all hold tight. And after I get this chicken all cleaned up and everything, I'll come back. Okay, guys, back here. Let me get the camera right. Got the chicken all washed up. See how I clean it? To wash your chicken good, because it be having that old nasty, slimy, fatty, greasy stuff on. So you wash your chicken real good now. Don't be around here cooking no chicken with that nasty shit on there. You think somebody's gonna want to eat your cooking and it all nasty. But you gotta clean that chicken well and wash it good, because I thoroughly wash mine. So don't sit in the let this water drain off it. It's on it. seasoned up. Once I season up and lay it in the pan, in a baking pan, I'm gonna let y'all take a look at it. Like I said, look, quick cooking video. Something simple, something quick. Okay, YouTube. Let me wipe the camera. But okay, YouTube. Got it seasoned up here. And like I said, keep it simple. We're gonna do a little jiffy, do some green beans, and here you go. We got a simple meal. Feed a family of 5 for at least today and tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? My kids would never go hungry as long as I can, you know, whip it up a little bit. But like I said, got a little chicken. Gonna throw it in the oven. Gonna wrap it up. Got a little seasoning on it and everything. Don't ask me what kind of season. You just know it's seasoning. It's gonna be good. Got my green beans in the can, a little jiffy. Do a little small jiffy. We ain't gonna do my bread because we waste a lot of jiffy. You know, we'll eat a little, you know, like I said, pretty much gonna keep it simple. Throw some beans in a pot and put a little season in them and put a little cornbread in the oven and boom, little sweet cornbread, and we got us a meal. Like I said, out there cooking everything, and let y'all take a look at it, and like I said, gotta eat. Alright, up in that pot right there. Look up in that pot. Got them onions, a little butter, not much, just a little seasoning in them. You can canned green beans, you know what I'm saying? They ain't fresh out the garden, but you know, you do what you do with them. Like I said, it's like 3 cans. This should be enough for us, you know what I'm saying? Cause like I said, put a little seasoning, the onion in them, a little butter, and let them do what they do. Slowly but surely, they will be taste as good as any veggie at the garden, even though it's canned. But like I said, stay tuned. Gotta go pick the kids up and everything. Like I said, got a little video going, and we cooking in the kitchen again. Like I said, check me out. You know, just being a multitask dude today. You gotta goddamn do what you gotta do. Make sure the family fed. But y'all hold tight, and like I said, after they cooking everything, I'll let y'all see it, and by that time, family be home and we'll be eating. Alright, y'all. We got that chicken bacon, slowly baking, looking good. And also, got those cornbread muffins coming along. They ain't do but see so. I ain't gonna give you problem one. Cornbread muffins. Got the kiddos here. Hey. Jonathan need a haircut, boy. I gotta tell your mama to call Drake so we can get your haircut. Look at Camille.
Wednesday?
Yeah, got the green beans going. And
I always get my haircut on Wednesday.
Like I said, y'all in here cooking up for the family and everything. Y'all stay
2 weeks until we get out of school.
Stay tight, and I'll show y'all the finished result when we get done. Like I said, like, share, comment, whatever. Just doing a little quick cooking video. You know, this is my second one. I got 2 to post. This one and the one I did earlier.
And don't tornadoes.
Yeah. But anyway, y'all hold on, hold it down, hold tight.
What?
Look at them muffins. Look at them muffins. Them things looking pretty good there. I should have made 6 more. But yeah, that's enough. I don't want to be wasteful. We make too many and they won't eat them. Hold on, Camille. But it's on its way. Chicken almost ready. Green beans are done. I can shake them off, and we'll be ready to eat this evening, sooner or later. Well, you two, after all this ripping and running, finally back home. Food is done, and finna feed the kiddos and everything. And like, share, comment. Baked chicken, green beans, and cornbread.